It is a patch of ocean roughly 500,000 square miles in size. To map makers, it's a simple geometric shape between Florida, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. But to the rest of the world, it is a graveyard without headstones. More than 50 ships and 20 airplanes have vanished here in the last century alone. No debris, no bodies, no explanation. This is the Bermuda Triangle. Also known as the Devil's Triangle, this region is one of the most heavily traveled shipping lanes in the world. But beneath the sapphire waves lies the Puerto Rico Trench, one of the deepest points on Earth. If a ship goes down here, it doesn't just sink, it falls into a pressurized darkness miles deep, where the currents of the Gulf Stream act like a conveyor belt, sweeping wreckage away before a search party even leaves the dock. What makes it scary isn't just the what, but the how. Pilots have reported electronic fog, a strange, shimmering mist that sticks to the wings and causes instruments to fail. Some scientists point to methane hydrates. Huge bubbles of gas erupting from the seafloor can turn the water into a frothy foam. A ship, no matter how large, loses its ability to float in an instant. It doesn't capsize, it simply drops through the floor of the ocean. Then there are the rogue waves. In this region, storms from multiple directions can collide, creating 100-foot walls of water that strike without warning. They are enough to snap a steel tanker in two, leaving the crew with zero time to radio for help. We can talk about methane, magnetism, and weather, but science cannot explain the silence. It cannot explain why seasoned pilots sound like terrified children over the radio, or why ships are found perfectly intact yet completely empty. The triangle doesn't just take lives, it takes the why. And in the middle of the deep blue, the only thing more terrifying than the storm is the quiet that follows.